March 16th, Wednesday, siding day. This is the first full day of siding. It's in the morning. They're trying to finish up today. I'm surprised at how good it looks. I'm actually very surprised. Leon's company is working on this project. We had a lot of infighting and yelling and screaming to get this far. As you can see, the decks are not done yet, just getting up the Tyvek. Let's see how everybody's doing. How are you guys doing? Making a video. We had a problem back here on this corner of the house. The house is smaller than the foundation by about 3 inches on this side. Here it is. That's the problem right there, as you can see. The decision was made just to run the siding down and put in a drip cap. And I'm hoping that's a good decision. Okay, let's go upstairs, see what's going on. This is my old ladder. They're still using it. All right, the decks are not done, and obviously the south side needs a little work. They're going to have to, on this door, they're going to have to postpone this side because the siding needs to go right up to the door, and we don't have a door, so that's a problem. We're going to have to wait on this side. Let's go inside. It is good to have the siding inside. The house has been leaking. There's a little bit of leak. We're hoping with this Tyvek on, it's not going to leak. We're going to stop that. And here's how it works. Here's how it works. Here's the window, and there's a tape that goes under the Tyvek. The tape goes over the J channel here. Here's the J channel. The tape goes over the J channel, over the Tyvek, and seals it off. And then they put a drip, basically another Tyvek on top of that to manage the water coming down. So the idea is the water is sealed off from getting in. There's another there's a green J channel, the siding J channel that goes over this, and that seals it off. As you can see here, this is the raw window, this is the door. These windows here have no tape, no Tyvek. So this is what they start with. I chose these 2-inch vinyl white corners. It's better than nothing. It's hard work. You've got to line up these portable scaffolding jacks, and it's dangerous work too. On that base they put an aluminum base, and they walk along it. We can see this on the other side. Here are 2 jacks right here. They're already set up. Base is off. This side is actually done, and I'm not going to be able to really look at it until I go downstairs. As you can see, the soffits are up, and honestly, it's looking better than I thought. It's looking much better than I thought it would. We're going to put a soffit on this too. This is our stairwell coming up. Lift well, stairwell, return stair style. This is the next floor up. until I go to the attic, I'm not going to be able to see anything more. Okay, here we go down the ladders. No stairs because we're arguing about stairs. Cost of stairs, who's going to do it? A brutal, ugly process. All right, let's go to the second floor. Up the ladders. Here we go. My hip is hurting, let me tell you. All right, another stair rail, which is good. All right, we're up. Second floor. This is bedroom, living floor. Joe Leonard is working on the ductwork. Did a nice job over here. Joe avoided going through the PSL girder and came out this little slot here. Nice job on that right there. Avoided the header, I should say, not the girder, the header that's here. He cut just in front of it. Good work. Duct, bedroom. They are not, siding is not ready here. Here it is again. These doors leak, terribly leak. We're looking for tape, and you can basically see the tape, and you can see the J channel is already covering. The green stuff is the J channel, and that is already covering the tape and the Tyvek. So the Tyvek comes down, and it gets sealed in behind that. That's like a double Tyvek layer. We don't want this stuff to leak at all. There's a lot of wind here on the north side. Same thing here. You can see the tape. We really want to keep this stuff dry. It can get wet up here. Here it is again. The J channel's in, so it's over a layer of tape and Tyvek. Important stuff. I know I'm repeating myself.